Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to convert the text to uppercase in JavaScript. So very known method that is called known as to uppercase method, right? So anything that you require, like I want to convert whole the text into a uppercase, so you can use the to uppercase string, right? So what is the speciality in that? Note that the uppercase method does not modify the original string. Make sure it doesn't modify the original string, but instead returns a new string. Okay, so it always returns a new string, but doesn't modify the original string. So let's copy this string and just add it into our console and let's see is it working or not. You can see that all the strings, whether it's to be a, if I go and just add the hello world to be a small letters, let me reload this again. This is hello and this is world, it's not like this. Okay, again still it will convert you the full letters to be a full caps letter. So to uppercase work is basically to capitalize the whole syntax that you are passing over to it, right? So any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.